Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use indicators on IQ option. So let's get started. First, open IQ option on the app or browser. Over here, type iqoption.com/traderoom in the search bar and make sure you're logged in. After that, you'll see the chart. Then, on the left hand side of the chart, click the indicators icon. Over here, you'll see categories like popular, momentum, trend, volatility, moving averages, and volume. After that, click on the option of your choice. Then click on the indicator you want to add. Over here, you can access the settings such as basic settings, colors, and display. After that, enter the values for period or other fields according to the indicator. Then adjust the colors and display if you want. Finally, click apply. Over here, the indicator will be added to your chart. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next